Like, yeah, rock it, guys. Nice.
Oh shit! Few of the boys. I like riding in. It's just me and a couple of the guys. We're gonna go to Mexico. Do a little bit of testing. Just have some fun with the boys. We got the big homie Nate. Haven't ridden with Nate in such a long time, man. Look at Trevor acting a fool already. And of course, you know, you got your boy Junior. Look at Trevor. Look at Trevor. Look at this fucking guy. Look at this fucking guy. Look at this guy. Hell yeah. Trevor always acting a fool, isn't he? Hey, rest in peace, man. Damn. Let's have a safe ride, because this is gonna be a spicy one. I know this is gonna be a spicy one.
Viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah! Oh, yeah! That was sick! That was sick! Yes, sir! Oh, man, that's so exhilarating when you have people that ride like that. Oh! Look, nothing against stretch bikes or anything, okay? Nothing against stretch bikes, and Junior can vouch for it too. But bro, there is nothing like riding twisties, man. Nothing like it, dude. Nothing. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Yes, sir! Shout out to my boy Nate for coming out. He barely comes out on Fridays. But look at him, he's looking good, boy. Looking good. Look at Trevor, boy. Look at Trevor. Yee! Yes, sir. With the control, man. Love that. Look how good you look, man. With all that gear on. Look how good you look. You looking good, boy. Looking good. Yes, sir. I love that. Love, love, love that. It just looks so good to me, man. That boy. Yeah. With the rear foot, with the rear brakes, with the rear brakes. Oh! Woo! Hey, that's spicy. Woo! Man, oh man, that's spicy. Very nice. Very, very nice. At the 7-Eleven. Yes, sir, we made it. That boy Nate. Squeeze right on in, buddy. Man, that was sick. So we just made it here to the meet. So apparently there was like a little car meet going on, and figured we stop by.